Okay, we're going to do problems number 2930 a little bit differently. Again, I'm doing the problems that people I got emails that had issues with. That's 23, 29, 30, and 39. So right now I'm going to do 29 and 30. So 29 starts off like this. And I think the weird thing is you're not sure if it's a use substitution or integration by parts because it just looks really weird. So I'm going to help you out little by little. I'd like you to pause it every time that I just show one step, and if you can finish out the rest, great. And if not, um, well, you'll have another hint coming up. But the first hint I want to give you is just to rewrite it. Okay? Now that's helped you. You can pause it and finish it up. Now, pause. If not, we'll keep going. The next step is this. Notice we just have common denominators on the bottom. Then the next step is this one. And again, I'm hoping that after each step, you pause it, you take some time to look at it, see what you would do next, see where you're at before you uncover the whole thing. Okay. And that's all we've done from start to here is we've rewritten our integral. Haven't done any use substitution or any integration by parts. I've just rewritten it so it looks a little bit prettier. Now, is it use substitution or integration by parts? Think about it for a little bit. See what you guys want to decide to do. And if you said use substitution, you are correct. Hopefully you pick your right u, because here we go. My u is going to be e to the x. My du is going to be e to the x dx. Alright. So now I want to talk about what the integral becomes here. It will be u squared plus 1 in the denominator and du in my numerator. Also notice, I want to bring your attention to the bound that is changed here. Okay. The reason that bound is changed from a 0 to a 1 is because this bound was an x value and we changed it to u values. Notice e to the 0 is 1, so this bound is 1. Obviously, e to the infinity is still infinity, so that infinity is not going to change. Okay? Now, I hope that from here you can finish out the rest without any more clues. But again, we'll uncover this little by little. If you have the sub or a designated pause person, pause it after each time I move this, then you guys can talk about it before you keep going. So our tangent, and then we are here. And the last thing I want to uncover is, I think we've talked in the past what happens to arctangent as b approaches infinity. Remember, there's an asymptote there, so that goes to pi over 2. Please remember the arctangent is the inverse tangent, or in other words, they're giving us a ratio and we have to come up with an angle. So the question is, what angle, or which angle has a tangent such that when you say tangent of this angle equals 1? So you can think of the angle, that's my next value, which is pi over 4. So now answer turns out to be pi over 2 minus pi over 4, which is just pi over 4. Okay, we're going to do the same thing with problem number 30. Little by little. This was a lot easier than 29. Um, just a simple u substitution problem. Hopefully pick the right u. It's this one. Again, hopefully you're all decided and talked about the fact that you're going to need to change your bounds. And it looks like this. So again, notice the bounds have changed. And I'm going to cover the rest. There's my story problem. Please remember that this diverges. natural log of b as b approaches infinity goes to infinity. So it doesn't matter that the second part is a value, because even though that's a value, this diverges, so the whole thing will diverge. And those are problems 29 and 30.